ain't fuck with me when I wasn't this fly. Now I'm on top and now I'm riding sky high.
The fuck? Look at that. Oh, it's not even like that on the outside. Oh,
you've taken my love for granted and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. Fed up with you not being here with me. When you know love is all I need. I don't wanna stay. I don't really wanna stay. I don't want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Can we get it? Yeah. And I don't wanna. Don't want to stay. Get it together. Let's get it together, babe. I can't let go, 'cause being confused just takes control. I hope we can start brand new, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Oh no. With the love we share, baby, it's all so rare. I'm willing to try and make you see that all you need is hearing me. I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna go. How you feel? Let me know how you feel. I don't wanna stay. Don't want to go. But you gotta let me. You gotta let me know just how you feel. Yeah, I don't wanna stay. No, no. I don't really wanna go, and I don't want to go.
hey y'all. So yeah, Target, and I decided to start vlogging. I ain't really been vlogging like that, but today I said I'm gonna make me some dinner. I want to make some Mosticholli with some fish, and I want to make the Mostaccioli with vegan cheese because I really can't eat cheese because that fucks me up. But it's a snowstorm today, and I done came outside in the damn snowstorm. But right now I'm looking for pasta. But they only have, this shit say canned pasta. What the hell is the regular pasta? What the hell is the regular pasta? I guess it ain't over here. What's canned pasta? Oh. My dumb ass. A whole nother pasta aisle in the next aisle. What kind of shells am I supposed to use? Because I saw a lot of people use the medium shells, and then I see people using panini. What y'all use for y'all Mostaccioli and stuff? Because I'm confused on which one. Y'all see people using the fair carefully. However you say that. The bow tie. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with... I really been eating a lot of pasta lately, whole time. My thing is, I don't feel like I should deprive myself. Ain't that what we always say? I don't feel like I should deprive myself, so I'm gonna get the regular one. But I really can't find the whole grain ones. If I really could find the whole grain ones, I would get those, but I just can't. What's these? Oh shit. I done broke the damn display. I done broke the whole damn display. But I was trying to get these. I look at these ones. That's different. That's real different. Y'all seen these before? I done broke the thing off. How you put this on? Let me go walk away. But they be like, man. Cause I didn't do it. And then I wanna make some chicken. They got chicken sausages. Sorry, excuse me. And y'all know I gotta read the ingredients to everything because I'm allergic to everything. To be against onion on the damn front. I'm allergic to onion, so I gotta really check to see what's what. But I had some from here before that was just plain chicken sausage. I had some from Target before that were just plain chicken sausage with no like extra in it. But I don't remember what they looked like, what they were, who they were made by. See, this got apple and Gouda cheese. Oh, I want that. See, because what they be meaning by spices? What's the spices? What's the spices? That's what I be trying to worry about. Like, what's the spices? When they say spices, they got onion in it too. Damn. Because what's the spices? Do the spices be... What's the spices? I know this Italian style gonna have onion in there. I'm sure anything with garlic, because they got garlic and cheese too. I'm sure anything with garlic, is gonna have onion, because you know garlic and onion goes hand in hand. Say this one don't have onion in there. But what be the spices? Because it always say just like spices. But what the fuck be the spices? Salt, spice. What the hell is spices? I'm gonna get this, and if I break out, I'm suing. Just go look. I'm gonna just go look real quick on what they got. I'ma just go look. Just real quick. I don't need no wine or no cookies. I'm gonna just see what type of. I wanna see what type of new cookies they got. They got carrot cake Oreo. Carrot cake is my favorite. Carrot cake is my favorite. And now they got it in the Oreo. I'm struggling. Snacks is my struggle, y'all. I'm struggling with the snacks. Snacks is my biggest downfall. Oh, God.
Slipping is sliding, but what we gonna do? I'm slipping is sliding. Now tell me what we gonna do.
the little kiwi thingamajig, and it's not giving. I'm slipping. I'm in like 3 lanes right now. I am sliding. See, I was gonna talk about people and them talking about if you ain't got 4-wheel drive, stay off the road, and truck. And I'm trying to ride out here in my little Chevy Cruze. Baby, I don't know if I got 2-wheel, 1-wheel, 3-wheel, or 4. But all I know is this snow ain't no hoe. Period. Baby, I'm sliding. And if you driving next to me, alright, y'all. We're at the mall. I told y'all I want to go to the mall and get a sweatshirt made to promote, you know, my Yazid. Ooh, I hate these weird shoes. See, this is why I gotta stop coming to this ghetto-ass mall, because it's only one way up, one day down, and the escalators don't work. And the only way to get upstairs is the Escalade or the damn elevator. And most of the time, it's either one or the other that ain't working. God. Y'all ain't gonna see no Chanel, Louis Vuitton, you know, like the big YouTubers. Y'all gonna see Old Navy, Hot Topics, Shoe Depot.
I could do this for hours, sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers, all the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that gets
Come on.
When you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. You stick me up on the counter, instantly it's thunder showers, storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a
Todd, can you play that again?
yours, mine.
Real sexy, real sexy, real sexy. Come on, girl. Bend it over, 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 bend it. Come on, bend it over. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Real sexy, real sexy, real sexy. Real sexy, real sexy. Come on, girl.
Niggas always trying to shoot their shot for no reason. I'm trying to be in business. I'm doing my business, and y'all talking about be a snack in your video. Like, I ain't looking for no snack, nigga. I'm like, I'm trying to be the snack. He like, you can be the snack, I can be the steak. And he like he used to be a prince in Egypt. Okay, you went from being a prince in Egypt to coming here to work at the hot press shop. I mean, I get it, but damn, I want you to still be the prince of Egypt, you know? And then still took my money for the hot press. So it's like, I'm still like, you didn't even give me a little discount. Still made me pay $60. Look at this, the escalator don't damn work. I'm walking down the escalator. And then I just went to the damn gym. Good thing I was walking down and not up, because I would have been pissed. I don't know if that man was trying to be shady or not, though. He was like, yeah, let me go ahead and look at your YouTube and get you more views. A lot more views. Nigga, what? What you trying to say? I guess he said it. He said, I'm gonna get you some more views, a lot more views. What? What does that mean? What do you mean by that, sir? I don't like that statement, sir. It's like, what the hell? I'm gonna get you a lot more views. Get your mama some views. But give me some views. He pulled it up. I'm like, ugh. But motherfuckers be lying. Always talking about, I'm a subscribe, I'm gonna watch you, I'm gonna watch you, I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna subscribe, I'm gonna watch you, I'm gonna watch you, I'm gonna watch you. And then just be subscribing just to get like in my panty drawers. Y'all think I'm gonna give you some coaching for subscribers? But watch me, cause I'm a cool motherfucker. I'm a cool ass motherfucker. Watch me. But I got my sweat there. I got my sweater. Little better. And now I gotta go home. I got to go home. Hey y'all, so I got so wrapped up in cooking that I forgot to even record me cooking. But I made Mostaccioli, so I made it the regular way. You know, I just boiled my noodle. And I got my chicken sausages going over here that we had got earlier. I just made these here. And then I had made some chicken as like the main thing for everybody else, but I had made some red snapper for me. I'm done with the chicken. That's the chicken there. I got my green beans here, and then my red snapper is marinating there. So I'm just making the Mostaccioli right now. So this is what we got going. So hold on. So we got the Mostaccioli. This is it here. This side right here is the regular cheese. This side over here is the vegan cheese. So I'm gonna try to layer it different so I can know what side is what, so we don't get them mixed up. Okay, so like I was saying, this is the regular side and that's the vegan cheese side. So I got my chicken sausages here. So I'm just going ahead and add some. I just need you to take that chicken out and put it in the
to make history for their country and make it to the Olympics.